Hello everyone. In this video, we will be discussing about possible key answers for Karnataka TET 2021 first language English paper. Read the passage given below and answer the questions from 1 to 8. So here the one passage is given. So first question: unplanned human activities that can destroy the ecosystem are options: humans interacting with other large organisms, housing and business, interaction of man with microscopic animals, involving in production of local ecosystem. Here the correct answer is option number 2, housing and business. Next question: man has to increase the dash activities to sustain the ecology of the area. The correct form of the word to be filled in the blank is options: conserve, conserved, conservation, conserves. Here the correct answer is option number 3, conservation. Next one: ecosystem management involves the finding ways to protect and increase well-being of local ecosystems. The word that is example for an adjective is options: ecosystem, management, protect, local. The correct answer is option number 4, that is local. Next one. So fourth one, here it is like match the following. So one side specific, human, chemical, land is given. Another side activities, component, development, region is given. So if you look at this, so here the correct answer will be specific, region, human, activities, chemical, component, land, development. So option number 1 is the right answer here. Next one: an ecosystem can be defined as a physical area with its organisms, an interaction of all living organisms with their physical environment, human activities for socio-economic progress, all large animals and microorganisms in the environment. Here the suitable answer will be option number 2. Next one, sixth question. The given passage elaborates on the physical and chemical components of the environment, defines ecosystem and the need to manage it, defines all human activities, explains about the environmental damage caused by human activities. Here the correct answer will be option number 2, defines ecosystem and the need to manage it. Next one: the term used in the passage to find ways to protect local ecosystem without hindering socio-economic progress is ecology, ecosystem, ecosystem management, local ecosystem. Here the correct answer will be option number 3, ecosystem management. Next one: the statement that is true with respect to the passage is options: physical and chemical components of an ecosystem supports the organisms living in it. An individual of a species feeds only on another individual of the same species. Man as an animal is not included in the ecosystem. Ecosystem refers to the relationship between a prey and its predator. Here the correct answer will be option number 1. Next, read the text below and answer questions from 9 to 15. So one poem is given here. Its name's The Violet. So ninth question: the poet went to the valley to. So here are the options: pluck the fruits, buy the plants, see the flower, see the flowers, sell the flowers. Sorry. Here the correct answer will be option number 3, see the flower. 10th question: the correct prefix to be added to the word learn is options: un, in, im and ir. Here the option number 1, un will be the right answer. Next one: I may also learn to grow. The infinitive in the above sentence is to grow, grow, learn, may. Here the option number 1, to grow, will be the right answer. The violet in this poem is a or an girl, flower, Bird color. Here the option number 2, flower will be the right answer. Next one, 30th question. The violet is lovely, bright and fair, whereas it hides itself. This brings out the violet's nature of silence and timidity, pride and arrogance, modesty and humility, shame and shyness. So, option 3, modesty and humility will be the right answer. Next 14th question. Violet hung its head as if. Here the options are: it was so shy, it was sleepy, to hide from view, it was so inactive. Here the option number 3, to hide from view is the right answer. Next one, a modest violet grew. The underlined word is a or an adjective, verb, adverb, noun. Here the option number 1, that is adjective is the right answer. Next, answer the questions from 16 to 30, choosing the most appropriate option following the given directions. 16th one, dash Ganga is dash sacred river. The correct articles to be filled in the blanks are a and the, a the, and the. Here the option number 2, the a is the right answer. 17th one, he is the doctor dash treated my sister. The correct linker to be filled in the blanks is who, when, where, why. Here the option number 1, who is the right answer. Indians play cricket dash. The correct question tag to be added is ain't they, isn't they, don't they, do they. Here the option number 3, don't they is the right answer. We are investigating the mystery. The passive form of the above statement is options. The mystery was being investigated by us. The mystery will be investigated by us. The mystery has been investigated by us. The mystery is being investigated by us. Here the option number 4 will be the right answer. Rama said to Arjun in anger, go away. So here the options. The above sentence can be reported as, so Rama requested Arjun to go away. Rama ordered Arjun not to go away. Rama ordered Arjun to go away. Rama advised Arjun to go away. Here the correct answer will be option number 3. Next one, methods of teaching English is one of the prime areas in any professional teaching course. The component orients to apply the various elements of contributing to. So options, effective use of language in teaching, effective ways of developing English, increase vocabulary of English language, teaching and learning of all subject. So here the suitable answer will be option number 1. Next one, although there was teaching for hundreds of years, the language teaching came into its own as profession in 20th century, 12th century, 20th, 16th. The option is there. So option number 3 in the 20th century will be the right answer. Next one, there are different types of writing which depend on the purpose. The aim of persuasive writing is options, to confuse the reader, to pressurize the reader, to convince the reader, to encourage the reader. Here the option number 3, to convince the reader is the right answer. Next one, nouns, main verbs other than be, adjectives, adverbs, the words yes and no. Interrogative words are high frequency words, important words, common words, content words. Here the option number 4, content words is the right answer. Connecting all the supporting sentences to the topic sentence is called unity, uniformity, cohesion, accuracy. Here the option number 1, unity will be the right answer. Next one, while reading, finding a particular piece of information involves intensive reading, scanning, skimming, extensive reading. Here the option number 2, scanning will be the right answer. 27th, read the given text and answer the questions that follow. This activity is a part of pre-reading task, memory-based task, while reading task, listening task. Here the option number 1, pre-reading task is the right answer. 28th question, using more of videos in an English class takes care of the needs of only visual learners, audio and visual learners, only auditory learners, all types of learners. So here the slight confusion between option 2 and 4. So I will go with option number 4, all types of learners. 29 question. A list that contains a set of statements related to what a student is expected to do to improve his or her language ability is named as opinionaire, checklist, survey tool, questionnaire. So here checklist will be the right answer. Imagine, that is the question. Imagine there are some low proficient learners in the class and the teacher is planning to undertake some easy and effective strategy to make them learn. Which one of the following type of activity should he or she choose? Guest lecture, self-study, peer teaching, reference task. Here option 3 will be the right answer. So these are the unofficial key answers. It may be subjected to any kind of changes. So you have to wait for official key answers. Thank you.